Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy skinny summer scarf. So let's get started. Working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. I'm going to start with chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to skip the next stitch, and I'm going to double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip, double crochet, chain 1, skip, double crochet. Okay, I've reached the end of the row. Now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to double crochet in this next double crochet, but I'm only working in the back side of the stitch. So chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, working only in the back side of the stitch, chain 1, double crochet in that next double crochet, chain 1. Now I'm going to skip that first chain, and in the next chain I'm going to make my last double crochet. Now for the next row, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn, double crochet in the next double crochet, working only in the back side of the stitch, chain 1, again double crochet in the back side of the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and the last double crochet will be skip that first chain 1 and double crochet in the next stitch. And there's what that will look like. That is the center part of this scarf. So you're going to continue to do that until you have your scarf as long as you would like it to be. And I have 70 rows in this scarf. Okay, I worked a few rows so that I can show you how to do this shell edge. And to do the shell edge, you're going to work all the way around your scarf. So that was my last double crochet. Now I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to single crochet in this first chain 1 space. And in the next chain 1 space right here, I'm going to make double crochet, double crochet, double crochet. So that's 3 double crochets. And I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to slip stitch back into the top of the double crochet, and I'm going to make 2 more double crochet in this same space, like that, and then I'm going to single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Okay, so I'm going to do that all the way around. So go to the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the top of the double crochet, and make 2 more double crochet in that same chain 1 space. Now I'm going to work down the side, so I'm going to go to the next side of a double crochet, and I'm going to single crochet. In this next space, I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the top of the double crochet, and make 2 more double crochet in that same space, and single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so you can see how that's shaping up, and there's where I have all those shells worked up the side, all the way down to the other end. Now I worked across, then all the way back down here until I got back to where I began, and then I fastened off. And then here in the bottom of the scarf, I just added 3 little fringes. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make a skinny summer scarf. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.